Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to write an article from source on Google NotebookLM. So as you see guys, I have this test source and I have a YouTube channel, a YouTube video from our channel. Then I'm going to click on chat and ask him to make me an article out of this YouTube video. Article from this video. And as you will see, it will create an article, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.